In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wise account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Closing your Wise account is permanent. Once it's closed, you won't be able to access your balances, transaction history, or linked cards through the app. If you want a record of your activity, it's a good idea to save any statements or receipts beforehand and make sure there are no pending transfers. Also, check that your app is updated and you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. This walkthrough applies to both iOS and Android, and the interface will look very similar across devices. If you're not already signed in, log in as you normally would and wait for the home screen to load. You should see your accounts, balances, or recent activity. Next, look to the very top left of the screen for the profile icon. It might show your initials, a small profile picture, or a simple person-shaped icon. Tap that icon to open your profile and account settings. This is where Wise groups all the personal and account controls you'll need for this process. Once you're inside the profile section, scroll down through the menu. You'll likely see options related to personal details, security, notifications, linked devices, and help. Keep scrolling past these until you reach the bottom area of the list. Don't worry if you pass sections like preferences or privacy. The option we want is further down. When you reach the bottom, tap Close Account. This will start the closure flow. Wise may show you a confirmation screen explaining what closing your account means, and you might be asked to confirm your identity or select a reason for leaving. Read any prompts carefully and follow the on-screen instructions. If there are any remaining balances, you'll be guided to move or withdraw them before you can proceed. After confirming, you'll see a final message indicating that the closure request has been submitted or completed. If you don't see the Close Account option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and try again. In some regions, the wording may vary slightly, like Close Your Wise Account, but it will be in the same area of the profile menu. Accounts with unresolved issues, active cards, or pending transfers may need those items resolved before the button becomes available. If something seems stuck, use the in-app help to contact support for guidance. And that's it. You've learned exactly where to go and what to expect when closing your Wise account from the mobile app.